Hi everyone, it's Cindy A. Lewis, and I am going to show you the easiest shaker card kit you've ever used. This is by Firefly, and it is from Tuesday Morning. I purchased it in my last haul, I believe, for $4.99. The retail is $9.99. This is number 2045697, if you can't see that. Anyway, you get 6 cards. You make 2 of each of these designs. And I thought it would be easy just to make the cards and do it with you guys. And it is National Craft Month. So let's see what they give you. In the kit, you get some sequins and some glitter. The pink is actually sequins and the gold is glitter. Then you get the Your Fabulous card, and you get 2 of each. Then you get the pretty birds that say Just a Note, and then you get the Hello cards, which is really pretty with the butterfly, and you get envelopes for each one. In case you were wondering, these cards measure 4 by 5.5. Okay. Now, basically what we do is we put your glitter or sequins inside here, pull this foam off, and place your card on top. And it gives you, it's just so easy. Okay, so I'm going to place some of this gold glitter in here. And you could put a little of both if you wanted to, and you can just determine how much you want in there. So that might be a little much, but I have plenty to go around. So basically, do that. Pull your foam off. Your paper off your foam card. And it is very sticky, so once you stick your card on, it is going to be stuck on. So make sure you line it up well. And just press it down, and you have your shaker card, just like that. And I got probably a little much in that one, and it probably is going to have to fall down some. But let's do one more. So we've got this cute little seamstress here that's a mannequin. What is that called anyway? I know it's called a form or something like that. Okay, we're going to put some of these little sequins in here. I'm not going to put quite as many because I don't want to wait for it to fall. And then I just am going to pull off the plastic. The cover on my foam. I'm going to line up my card. Press it down really well. And there you go. So you have your shaker card, and really and truly, you could make these 6 cards in no time at all. Okay, so here we go. Here are all of them. I made them all really quickly. And these 2 here, I added some sequins I already had, so they're really cute. And then these are the ones that came with the kit. This one, again, this glitter is really sticking to that acetate, and then you can see this came with the kit, and then this one here. So easiest shaker card kit ever, and I hope you enjoyed this quick video, and maybe run down to Tuesday Morning and see if they have any of these shaker card kits. So have a great day until next time. And I had some leftovers, so always nice to have that.